Welcome to the last episode of Top Places to Eat in Kampala. My name is Enoch and this is Jackie, and together we are
Enoch and Jackie.
All right.
So today we raid another great kitchen. Remember, we're also kitchen raiders. Do remember to join that page, Kitchen Raiders East Africa, so you know what great kitchens have what for you. This is Tamarai in Lower Kololo.
Oh yes, oh yes.
And they are Thai.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. And in a bit you'll be meeting our great chef. You see all these things. He gonna use all these things. He gonna cook everything here. I don't know what that's called.
That's right.
Yeah. So right. Let's meet our chef and let's know exactly what he's going to be doing. What's your name?
Hello, Sawadee Krap.
Sawadee Krap.
My name is Pisha. I'm the head chef here of Tamarai. I come from Thailand.
He's Thai.
Yes.
See how professional this is? He's Thai and the cuisine is Thai.
Yes.
So what are we cooking today?
Today we have green curry prawn, the Thai cuisine, and pad Thai chicken.
This is pad Thai.
Yeah, pad Thai is Thai noodle. You know, it's popular there in my country.
Pad Thai chicken.
Pad Thai chicken, yeah.
And this is?
And this is rice noodle.
Oh, dried noodles.
Yeah.
Okay, and we're going to cook all these things?
Prawn? Yes.
Curry first. Everything is going in?
Yeah.
Oh, no, boy.
So just first we put the vegetable first.
Oh, the greens, the vegetables first.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
The prawn and basil.
Ah, cream curry. Binono ya boilo. Mata. Boilo. We done?
Yeah.
How many minutes was that?
For the prawn, we not cook a long time.
2 minutes?
2 minutes, yeah.
We done cooking. What I love is where it's going in the
Pumpkin.
pumpkin.
Yeah.
Just 1 egg. Okay. All right. And enough gas. This is?
Enough.
Oh, Jinja, okay. Oh, you slice it. So it's omelets and noodles in omelets, wrapped in omelets. Chef. Hello, you're still watching Enoch and Jackie's Top Places to Eat in Kampala, and sadly, this is our last episode.
I know, the last episode of season 1, but hey, we shall always be back in season 2. But for now,
let's enjoy.
We are digging in,
Yeah.
and we are starting with chicken leg with what's this?
In orange soup.
Orange spicy
Soup. Sauce.
Yeah. So
Okay.
right here.
I'm not a chili person, but it's nice.
All right, I'll test it and see.
I'm not chili, but if I have loved it, you will love it. You see the Christmas music in the background? We had Tamarai right here at Lower Kololo. Enoch is also having his taste at the chicken leg. But I love the way they present their food. It's really
Orange,
unique.
Spicy.
Sauce. Nice. Really spicy, but it's really nice.
Yeah.
If I don't eat chili and I can say it's nice and I'm gonna eat it, then. So Naki, this here is rendang beef.
Rendang what?
Rendang beef.
Apparently from Indonesia
And Malaysia. Yeah, it's an Indo-Malaysian dish.
I can't wait to,
Taste,
taste
dig
it.
in. Okay.
All
So
right,
you want
I'm
to just be honest, or?
I'm going to. I'm told it's served with
rice.
Yeah.
So yeah, you gotta serve it with rice. Even if you have only this, make sure you get rice. Rendang, intint.
You need to tell them.
Rendang eats. Okay.
Some chili though. but it's good. What is known as pad thai chicken from, of course, Thailand.
Tamaran.
Yeah,
From
here in
Thailand.
Uganda you can only get it at Tamarai,
Yeah.
but it's a Thai.
The Thai cuisine.
Yeah.
What's interesting is with this one, with this Thai, pad Thai chicken, it's pad Thai?
Pad thai chicken.
Yeah, pad Thai chicken, is the noodles are imported straight from Dubai. So you don't need a flight to Dubai if you love the noodles there. You can have that right here in Uganda, and that's why we do top places for you to know exactly where to get what. So here it is, specially brought from Dubai for you here.
Tell us, how does it taste? Pad thai chicken. How does it taste?
It's sweet, like it has it's sweet, as in sweet. So this is green curry. Like the Indians have tikka masala for almost everything. These guys do green curry, the Thai. It looks like milk, it looks like cream. It comes with a lot of vegetables, and this one here also has prawns. So I'll test the soup first.
I don't know, it tastes more like fish. Yeah?
The food is really awesome. I'm not saying this because we're here, but honestly, if you're looking for a place to chill these holidays, this Christmas, you can hear the music. We're already in Christmas.
This has been very amazing. I mean, the entire season, we've been to 10 restaurants. This happens to be the 10th restaurant. And I will tell you, we've tasted stuff that we had not tasted before. And
We've eaten everything.
we can only promise more next season.
So this feels so sad, yet it feels like goodbye, but we have season 2 coming. But we want to thank all our partners, especially Spanora Media, Spanora Production, the entire crew, Ellie, Bill.
Production guy.
We want to thank every restaurant that let us into their kitchens,
Oh yeah, that's
into
very
your
important.
space.
All you guys who hosted us, we thank you.